and said, "What are you doing here? We'd like to come in, can we? Please? We really want to. Sure you can. You're very... We're fighters too, you know.
So all the fighters went in?
Yeah.
What about the wizard?
No, the wizard stayed outdoors. He wasn't meant to go. He was too big to go in anyway.
Yeah. He's a little too big. He's kind of the wrong scale.
Yeah, then the wizard walked onto a castle. A castle walked onto
Candy wrapper?
a scale.
A scale?
Yeah, then the scale broke down because he was so heavy.
Wow.
And pointed, and even a needle got all twisted, and the numbers turned into dots.
Ah.
So it couldn't weigh anything.
Hmm.
Look at how heavy it looks like